Do you want to earn money online, but you don't have the skill set or experience to do so? Worry no more, as we will show you a method today that is completely beginner friendly. That's right, anyone can do this method even if you haven't tried doing this before. It is very easy to set up and it will only take you a few minutes to do so. Plus, this method is 100% free, so you don't have to spend any money in order to get started. You can earn an unlimited amount of money with this technique, so please pay attention to this video because we will show you step by step how to do this. So smash that like button right now because we will give you everything you need to get started on this method and make hundreds of dollars right here in this video. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel as well as turn on that notification bell to get notified when we upload new content. The method that we will talk about in this video is a brand new technique. This is available globally, so you can do this wherever you're located at in the world. The first thing that you need to do is go to this website. Some of you may have heard of this website as it is very popular. It is used by many people and businesses all over the world. An awesome thing about this website is that you can earn money on a daily basis and they pay you out on a daily basis. This website has weekly and daily payment options and they have a $1 minimum daily payout. And the best part, you can do this without selling anything. Instead, we will show you how to get fast leads for free and make a lot of money online. This website is called cpalead.com. What you have to do is sign up and create an account with them, which is going to be absolutely for free. Click on the green sign up button in the upper right hand corner of your screen. You can sign up using your Facebook or Google account. You can also sign up with your email address. Once you're done with that, you're going to need to fill in the details required. CPA, for those of you who are wondering what this stands for, cost per action or cost per acquisition. It is an online advertising strategy that allows a business to pay for a specific action taken by a customer. For instance, you will get paid if someone registers on the website or provides their email address. It does not require any purchases from your targeted audience in order for you to make money. Once you have an account, you can now log into the website where you will be redirected to your dashboard. Or your sales will be listed here. Offers, statistics, lockers, landing pages, the offer wall, and everything else can be found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. What you need to do is click on the offers and you will be taken to this page. Click on a country. You can see that almost every country in the world is listed right here. So you can do this regardless where you're from. Let us know in the comments below what country you're from. We would love to hear that so that we can better understand our audience. You will now have to find an offer that you think people will click on or sign up for. You can scroll down and look for offers that are appealing to you. You can also see how much you can get paid from the offers every time someone clicks on your link. You can earn 50 cents all the way up to $4 per click. Now, click on the offer that you've chosen. You can see all of the details here about the offer. Your audience needs to submit their PIN in order for you to earn money. You can also see the offer restrictions and targeting rules. What you need to do now is copy this link. Every time someone clicks on that link, CPA will take them to an offer. It doesn't matter if they win or not. You will still get paid as long as they do the action. The next thing that you will have to do is get traffic for your link. To do that, go to interact.com. What you need to do is create your own quiz for free, and this will be where you will drive traffic from. Click create your own quiz for free. You will be taken to this page where you must sign up. Go ahead and register to create an account. It's going to be totally free. After signing up, you can now log in and you will be redirected to a page that looks like this. Click on this one at the bottom on the left side that says start from scratch. After that, click on assessment. You can now include a photo and a brief description of what these people will gain from this. For example, you can write answer this simple quiz and get a chance to win. Go to result 1 by clicking on cover where you can see that there is called a call to action. You need to write something along the lines of click here to take this quiz and then add your CPA lead affiliate link after. This will lead them to the offer. Next, go here and ask them a simple question. For example, who is Steve Jobs? You can give them different options to choose from. After that, go here and set up the correct answer. The correct answer will turn green if they click on it. When they select the correct answer, they will be redirected to a link where they can answer to win an offer. Once your quiz is ready, the next thing you need to do is find a social media platform where you can promote it. You can go to Facebook since millions of people use it every day. Look for giveaway groups and join them. Once you are in, you can post something along the lines of, "Hey guys, you have a chance to win this offer by answering this quiz or win cool prizes by answering this quiz." This is how you can make money using this method. It's very easy to do and you can do it over and over again so you earn more money. If you enjoyed this video, please do us a favor and give us a big thumbs up so that it can reach more people. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more videos on how you can make money online. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.